Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics. Check firmware on both the primary Nighthawk router and each satellite so they share compatible code. Once done, power the router and plug in the first satellite within 1 to 2 rooms to ensure a strong link. Open the Nighthawk app, sign in with admin credentials, and choose Add Satellite. You do this now because an initial healthy connection prevents sync failures and reduces time spent troubleshooting later. This first action sets the whole process in motion. You follow the app prompts to start the satellite sync. The software walks you through selecting your existing mesh network rather than creating a new SSID, which preserves device settings. During pairing, watch LED behavior. A blinking light means searching, and a solid light confirms a successful link. If you have several satellites, sync them one at a time to prevent interference and allow the router to build a stable routing table. This staged method reduces dropouts and ensures the mesh topology. You finalize by checking roaming and backhaul settings in the app and letting the mesh redistribute connected clients. This ensures devices move to the best node automatically. Run a speed test near each satellite to confirm expected throughput and make small position tweaks if rates are low. If a satellite never reaches a solid LED, power cycle it, factory reset, then reinitiate sync. This single troubleshooting step resolves most pairing glitches because it clears stale configs and forces a fresh join to the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.